chicken be refrozen after thawing? Can you refreeze chicken that you've already defrosted, or does this increase your risk for food poisoning? Yes, you can refreeze cooked chicken as long as you follow food handling safety rules. Raw chicken can be safely refrozen within 2 days of thawing, while cooked chicken can be refrozen within 4 days. However, this may compromise the quality of the chicken. To ensure best quality, it is best to refreeze the chicken as soon as possible. You should only refreeze raw chicken that has been thawed in the refrigerator. Remember, never thaw chicken on the counter or in other locations, because room temperature is considered the danger zone. Bacteria can multiply rapidly if left at room temperature or in the danger zone between 8 and 60 degrees Celsius. Defrosting chicken in the fridge is the safest and most recommended method, though it takes long. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.